Hi guys, so welcome to our GMD Widget 101 tutorial. So first we need to discuss about the badge. So badge is just an indication that we need to display it. For example, we have a new message or notification. So we will need to discuss both implementations on any widget that's compatible with. So first we can just display the badge inside the material link. So this, for example, we have a material link, we have an icon of notifications, and we have also a badge here that indicates that the badge should be a circle, and also we have the text. The caveat here is we need to make sure that our container, every container should define its layout position to be relative, and also the display to be in line and black, right? So that's how we do it. So let's try this out. So this is just a simple badge. So you can see there we have the icon and also the badge, and you can also position that. So using the what I'm currently doing is using the browser inspector. That's the best way to what they call this, to implement the properties, CSS properties, directly from the element. So here I can just play with the positioning. So our default right, so it's right. So the default right CSS properties 8 pixels, so you can move it. So if you want it to be more to move it to the right part a little bit, so you can just adjust it or even tap 20 pixels, so you can adjust that too. So for example, we have the good indication, we can override that. So using these properties, you can just add it here. For example, right of 0 pixel 0 and tap 14. So by default the prefix was pixels here, so 0 pixel by default, so it accepts an integer instead of a string. So okay, oh, I think it's negative 14, sorry for that. Okay, yeah, so that's how you define the badges. You can yeah, as I said, you can override the CSS properties by default, and then add it into your UI binder to define it. So let's talk about another type, I mean another implementation. So here I'll just copy it here. So yeah, please refer to our demo website. So we provided a example and a code base right there. So let's just remove that. So yeah, so let's discuss this. So we have a material collection, so we will be discussing that in the next part. So material collection contains collection item which has a simple text, for example a material link, or yeah, a material label can do also. And also we have a badge item right there. So this badge is different from the one we have before. So this one doesn't need to be a circle, so it needs to be a message. So here we have a yeah, we have 1 2 3 4 4 items. So the first two lines of collection items has a badge itself. So yeah, so let's define it. Let's just refresh the page. Yeah, that's how it looks. Oh yeah, we need to remove the text align center right there. Yeah, so that's how it works. So we have a collection item with badges. So next we can implement also the badges in a drop down. So let's just copy this. Yeah. So we will be discussing also drop down in our series of tutorial. Yeah, right here we have the drop down. So the drop down needs to have yeah, as I said, we have a material link inside of it as a container, and also a badge inside of it. So yeah, it's the same thing also for the navbar. So you can just copy this navbar implementations, or even yeah, so let's try to copy this example. So let's put it into our material nav section. So we will be discussing also the number elements later on in this series. So let's just refresh the browser, and we have it there. So we have the drop down right here. So I hope you enjoy the first series of our widget GMD widget implementations. So see you soon in the next video.